Let me tell you something they're hoping you never find out. If you sit on a jury, and you know the law is wrong, or it's being used in a way that goes against your conscience, you have the power to say, not guilty. Even if the evidence says they broke the law, even if the judge tells you to convict, even if the prosecution thinks it's a slam dunk, you can stand up and say, I'm not going to punish someone for violating a law that never should have existed in the first place. That's called jury nullification, and it's one of the most powerful tools for freedom that exists in the American system. But they don't want you to know that. And even worse, they actively censor this critical information from jurors. Defendants or attorneys are not allowed to mention this power directly to them, and higher courts have supported this, which should tell you something in itself. This is why I created this video series on jury nullification. Here's how it works. Let's say someone's charged with a nonviolent drug offense, or possessing a firearm in the wrong zip code, or running a business without the state's blessing. The prosecution gives you all the facts. The judge reads the law. And on paper, it looks like they broke it. But in your heart, you know the law is garbage. You know punishing that person isn't justice, it's obedience to tyranny. In that moment, the Constitution gives you the right to say, not guilty. That's not a loophole. That's not jury misconduct. That's not rebellion. That's your duty as a juror. Because you're not just there to check facts. You're there to protect liberty. Thomas Jefferson called jury nullification the rightful remedy for all unauthorized acts by the federal government. John Jay, the very first Chief Justice of the U.S. Supreme Court, told jurors back in 1794, "You have a right to take upon yourselves to judge both the facts and the law." Let that sink in. The man who helped create the system told jurors flat out, you don't have to follow the judge's version of the law. So why don't they tell you this today? Because an informed jury is dangerous to the machine. If every jury knew this, they wouldn't be able to lock people up for victimless crimes, for peaceful resistance, or for standing on principle. This is the firewall. It's not just legal, it's essential. And it starts with you knowing what no one else will say out loud.